$25 for 55 minutes of reading emails. Literally, you can do this from anywhere in the world just using your cell phone. All you have to do to make $25 or more per hour, literally just to read emails, is go to www. Yo, what is up, Baby Shirt Gang? Welcome back to another exciting video. If you're new here or you're already part of the Baby Shirt Gang, make sure you do two things. Tap on that little like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and make sure you also tap that little red subscribe button. Join the Bell Squad. Why? Because every first commenter on all of our new videos wins a $1,000 course. By the way, shout out to our last video's winners of the first commenter and also the riddle. You guys have been loving the riddles so much. We've been getting such funny responses to it that we're gonna keep it going. So today's riddle is, what can you keep after giving to someone else? So whoever gets the answer to that right and is the first commenter down below on this video to do so will also win a $1,000 course. So if you guys like money, make sure you tap on the like button, subscribe, join the Bell Squad so that you can be our next winner. So today we're gonna be teaching you how to make up to $600 per day, literally just by reading emails. I know it sounds hard to believe, but I'm going to prove it to you in just a few minutes on this short video. But really quick, before we do get into all of that, I wanted to give a huge shout out to one of our awesome students that's having a ton of success named Sean N, who said he finally reached over $30,000 in revenue in less than 30 days thanks to Kevin David. So excited and feel amazing. You all can do it. I've basically done everything Kevin says in the course, and experiencing this and manifesting it is amazing and fantastic. So shout out to you, Sean. It's really awesome. I'm so proud of you. I just wanted to start, showing some love to all of our students that are having so much success, giving you guys shout out on my YouTube. So keep it up, brother, and I'm so excited for you for the future. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can make up to $600 in 24 hours or less just by reading emails. So the website that we're gonna be using today is actually called Vindale.com. And yes, I know that it does say on the website that you can actually get paid to do surveys, but that is not what we're gonna be talking about today. We've already proven that surveys are generally not the best use of your actual money because, again, they are basically the easiest possible thing to do. The most possible people actually do them, which means you generally make the least possible money to do surveys. But Vindale also offers other ways to make money on their site. You can see right here that Vindale members actually have made more than $7 million in cash, right? Not points, not anything weird like that, not credits, not gift cards, literally $7 million in cash. You get paid directly inside of your account. You can cash that out directly into your PayPal or straight to your bank account. So what you wanna do is create a completely free account on Vindale.com. You can see that they have a lot of offers right here to take, reading emails for healthcare and pharmaceuticals for 55 minutes to get paid $25, right? They have a lot of different tasks. Generally for the email tasks, they're about $10 to $15 per assignment, and those are kind of the ones that are gonna make you the most money, right? When you actually create your account, you'll see that they have a number of different categories here, right? They have cars and trucks, politics, sports, technology, shopping, all these different types of things. But what you really wanna focus on is shopping, right? They have a couple of different categories where you're gonna make significantly more, but shopping tends to be the one where you're going to make the most bang for your buck and actually get paid the most for your time reading these actual emails. So once you actually hop inside of these categories, you're gonna see a ton of different listings and actual job posts for reading emails. The fastest way to make money, like I said before, is generally to take the ones in the shopping category. But what I would do if I were you, if you actually wanna take this seriously and make money, in the long term, is try out an actual job posting for each one of their categories, see which one actually makes the most money for you with the least work, or the one that you actually enjoy doing the most. Another pro tip that you want to actually keep in mind is the only way that you're going to make $10 to $15 per assignment for actually doing this is if you're actually in one of their selected countries, right? And so what you want to do is you want to use what's called a VPN, right? A virtual private network that actually shows your computer as being in one of their approved countries like the USA, Canada, places like that, right? Because one of the problems that these sites have is people from, countries all around the world will sign up and not really give any good quality work. And so So what they do is sometimes they will have, approved or preferred countries where you actually have to have your computer register like it is in those countries to be able to qualify to make significantly more money doing this, right? So there's a lot of different free VPNs, which stands for virtual private networks, out there, right? This isn't gonna be a tutorial about how to do that, but you can easily go and get one completely for free that will actually make it so your computer looks like you're based in USA or Canada if you're not. If you already are in one of those countries, then you're totally fine. But if you are in a country outside of what their preferred countries are, you're not gonna be able to make as much doing this, right? So that's just kind of a pro tip for you guys. Remember also, when you actually set up your account, you have to use an address that's based in one of those countries as well. You can actually go and find, random address generators, or just literally go into Google Maps, look in Canada or look inside the USA and zoom all the way in until you find an address and actually set that up right there, right? And that way it'll actually show that you're in Canada. The VPN will show your computer's in Canada, and then you'll be able to actually qualify for the maximum possible payouts doing this. A couple other cool ways to make money with Vindale is you can actually use their referral program, and they also have a free sign-up bonus. To claim your sign-up bonus, all you have to do is just go to their site and then take your mouse as if you're about to exit, and an exit intent pop-up will pop up saying to sign up, give them your email address, and you can already earn $1 immediately deposited into your account, literally just for signing up, which you're gonna do anyways. And if you scroll down on their site, you can see ways to earn actually shows all of the things that they do, right? We were talking about reward mail, where you actually click reward mail, and you can go to sign up and get paid to read email, right? That's what we're talking about on this video. But if you actually go back to ways to earn here, right? Another thing that you'll see is where it says referrals, right? Referrals means that you actually get paid $5 for every single friend that you refer to actually join Vindale. So maybe, somebody's gonna comment down below with their referral link and other people might click it, or you can, tell about your friends and family members to sign up also, or just, sign up everybody that you know in your social media, and you can make money that way, right? It's probably not the most efficient thing in the world, but remember, at the beginning as an entrepreneur, you have to take more time and actually grind for every single dollar so you can save some money that you can actually then use to reinvest into more and better and more profitable ways to actually make money online. So that's a bunch of different ways to make money with Vindale: reading emails, right? Getting paid $25 an hour or more to actually do that, getting paid, free sign-up bonuses just to sign up, which you're gonna do anyways, how to qualify for more actual money by using an American or Canadian address and VPN, and even how to earn $5 or more referral bonuses, literally just to, sign up and show other people about this site, which is a really simple and easy way to actually make some side hustle income. So if you like this video, we actually have a second YouTube channel called More Kevin David, where we go live and teach you brand new ways to make money on the internet. So make sure you subscribe to our second YouTube channel down below in the description and the first pinned comment. And we also have a new podcast channel for our top 25 in the world podcast called The Kevin David Experience. Subscribe to that down below. More Kevin David and The Kevin David Experience, two brand new YouTube channels, which are really awesome. You guys are gonna love them. Or if you just wanna continue learning on this channel, we have a brand new playlist of the best ways to make money online, work from home, be happy, be a better person, coming to you live in the center of your screen. Make sure you click it. It's coming to you in 3, 2, 1. Click it in the center, guys. See you there. Peace. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.